Hi students, so let me start our today's class with one of the special properties of parallelogram. It is the adjacent angle in a parallelogram or supplementary. Supplementary means sum of the two angles should be a 180 degree. Here they said adjacent angle. If we choose an angle A, the adjacent to angle A is B. So if you add angle A and B, it should be a 180 degree. The D is also a adjacent, right? So if you add angle and A and angle D, it also be a 180 degree. Since angle B and D are opposite, the opposite angles are equal in the parallelogram, right? So recall all the properties that we have learned in the previous class that we will use here to solve the problems. Let me enter into the problem. Consider the following parallelogram. Find the value of x, y, z. So one of the value is given 100 degree and we know opposite to it is a y. So y is also 100 degrees. Since it's a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, right? And what about the adjacent angle? Adjacent angle is a supplementary, right? So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Since adjacents are supplementary, right? So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle B is an 100 degree plus angle C is a x, that is what we have to find. So x is equal to 180 degree and x is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, which is equal to 80 degree. So the value of x is a 80 degree. What is the value of z? It is just opposite to x, right? Opposite angles are equal. Z is equal to 80 degree since opposite to x and equal, right? Clear? So we'll go for the next problem. So this is also considered as an parallelogram and it is given it's a 3 degree x, y, z we have to find, and it is given a 90 degree. And so what will be the value of x? So x is also 90 degree since it is like a vertical opposite angle, right? Vertical opposite angle. Since it is vertical opposite angle, I just write in the short form, vertical opposite angles are always equal. Now it is the 90 degree. So using this triangle, now the BC, and let me consider it as a O. BCO is a triangle, right? Triangle BCO. So what is the angle sum properties of the triangle? It is a 180 degree. So if you add this three angle, it should be a 180. What is the x? So angle x plus y plus 3 degrees equal to 180 degree, and x we know it is a 90 degree, we already found. So 90 plus y plus 3 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus 3 is 93 is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 93 degree. So the y is equal to 87 degree, right? So now we have to know about the z, right? It is a parallel, but we know that the BC is parallel to AD. Since in question it is given, it is the following are the parallelogram. And you remember that in the transversal, consider this BD as a line transversal. In the transversal, the opposite angles are equal, right? So y is equal to z is equal to 87 degree since interior opposite angles are equal, right? Do you remember that transversal line? I will draw once again and I will explain. There will be a two parallel line, considering it is the parallel line L and M. L is parallel to M. One transversal line cuts, then the interior opposite angles are equal, the same. This is are the parallel and this line is transversal, so the interior opposite angles are equal. Do you remember that properties? So here we go for the next problem. It is also a parallelogram. It is given a 112 degree and opposite y is equal to 112 degree since opposite angles are equal, right? and it is given 40. We know the adjacent sides are supplementary. Here the total adjacent sides are 40 and z, right? So 40 and plus z plus 112 degree will be a 180 degree, right? Adjacent angles are supplementary. Let I name it as an A, B, C, D so that you will have a clear idea. So angle A and B are adjacent. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. What is the angle A? It's total angle, right? 40 plus Z. So 40 degree plus Z plus what is an angle B? 112. 112 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 40 plus 112 will be, Z will be the same. So 152 degree is equal to 180 degree. So Z is equal to 180 degree minus 152 degree. It's 28 degree. 28 degree, right? So we found what is the Z. So by the transversal, the DC and AB are parallel. So Z will be equal to X since interior opposite angles are equal. So X is equal to 28 degree. Interior opposite angles are equal, right? Next problem, the measure of two adjacent angles of parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Then if it is in the ratio, we will consider the common ratio as x, and each angle is 3x and 2x, right? Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So considering there is a parallelogram and it is given a 3x and 2x, we have to find all the four angles, right? A, B, C, D. Let me consider, right? So it is given adjacent angles are 3x and 2x. So given adjacent angles are 3x and 2x, we know the sum of adjacents are supplementary. So which means this we adding the both will be getting a 180. 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree, and 3x plus 2x is a 5x. So 5x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree divided by 5. So if you divide, the x value will be the 36 degree. So x is 36 degree. So the each angle is 3x and 2x. So 3 into 36 and 2 into 36. So 3x is equal to 3 into 36, which is equal to 108 degree, and 2x is equal to 2 into 36, which is equal to 72 degree. So each of the angle is, so it is a 4 angle, so 108 degree, 72 degree, 108 degree, 72 degree. Therefore 4 angles are 108 degree, 72 degree, 108 degree and 72 degree, since the opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. Here we go for the next problem. The following figure RUNS are parallelogram. Find x and y. Don't read it as runs. It is mentioning the point. Capital R, capital U, capital N, capital N. Each is the point. RUNS are parallelogram. We have to find the x and y. It is given that diagonal by 6, right? So it is a 16 and x plus y. We know that WKT is we know that diagonals bisect each other, right? So RO is equal to ON, right? RO is equal to ON, as well as UO is equal to OU. UO and UO is equal to OS, right? So from this condition, this length is given 16, this is given x plus y. 16 is equal to x plus y, right? Here it is given 16 is equal to x plus y, and here the y plus 7 is equal to 20. Y plus 7 is equal to 20. So from this we can find the value of y, and we can substitute here, and we can find the value of x also, right? So y plus 7 is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 minus 7, that means y is equal to 13, right? So value of y is equal to 13. Substitute y is equal to 13 in this equation, that is 16 is equal to x plus y. So instead of the y we will substitute a 13, so it will become a 16 is equal to x plus 13, right? So if you bring 13 here, it will become subtraction, right? So 16 minus 13 is equal to x. 16 minus 13 is a 3. So 3 is equal to x. So the value of x is equal to 3. So we have found the value of x and also for the y, right? Here we go for the next problem. So the figure is given. In the above figure, the RISK and CLUE are parallelograms. Find the value of x. So we have to find the value of x. So it's RISK and CLU is a parallelogram. It is a x. We can consider this triangle. Then if you know these two angles, then it is easy to find a x, right? We can easily find these two angles because this is in the S is in the point of an parallelogram RISK and E is in the parallelogram CLUE, right? So in parallelogram CLUE, you can say it is 70 degree, then opposite angle is E, right? So L and E are opposite, right? Then angle should be the same. So the angle of E is equal to 70 degree, right? So the angle of E is equal to 70 degree. We found this angle is a 70 degree. Then we have to find an angle of S. But opposite angle is not given. S is in the parallelogram RISK. Opposite is not given, but adjacent is given. If we given the adjacent also, we can find there's a property. The adjacent angles are supplementary. So it is 120 degree, and what it should be, if it should add, should be a 180 degree, right? It should be a 60 degree. Let me see. So in parallelogram RISK, angle K and angle S are adjacent. Then adjacent means adjacent angles are supplementary, right? So K plus S, angle K plus angle S should be a 180 degree. It's given angle K is a 120 degree. So 120 degree plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. Then angle S is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. Sorry, 120 degree. Sorry, 120 degree. Angle S is equal to 180 minus 120 is a 60 degree. So we got this is also a 60 degree. Now we can see this is a one small triangle. Let me consider this point as O. That is triangle OES. So in triangle OES, we know angle sum properties is a 180 degree. So angle O plus angle E plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. Angle O is what? X we have to find, right? Angle O is the X we have to find. S is a 60 and E is a 70. And E is a 70 degree plus S is a 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 70 plus 60 is a 130 degree. So X plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree, and X is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So where X is equal to 180 minus 130 is a 50 degree, right? We found the value of X. That is what they are asked. So here we go for the final problem. Explain how this figure is trapezium. Which of two sides are parallel? So trapezium means just a quadrilateral contains only one of the opposite sides are parallel. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is what we consider this is actual trapezium. Only the one sides will be the parallel, and this is not a parallel. Okay, if A, B, C, D, then AB is parallel to CD, right? This AB length is parallel to CD but not in equal length, and AD and CD will be, BC will be not a parallel. So we have to prove this. This is a trapezium. Trapezium means one sides of the parallel is one pair of opposite sides are parallel. We have to prove that, and they ask which two sides are parallel. So here there's a four sides, right? We have to show which two sides are parallel, and it is given the two angles 100 degree and 80 degree. So if we add 100 degree plus 80 degree, we will get 180 degree. From this you can remember the adjacent sides. 180 are in the adjacent sides, right? So in the parallelogram property it is said if adjacent sides are supplementary. Here also it shows the adjacent sides, right? 100 degree is just nothing but an angle M plus an angle L is equal to 180 degree. So angle M and L are adjacent sides. Angle M and L are adjacent, and the sum of it is 180 degree. Then sure the KL is parallel to NM, right? Therefore KL is parallel to LM. Clear? So the KL, the side KL is the parallel to LM, and it is a trapezium. So one of the sides are parallel, we have proved, and it is a trapezium. We no need to worry about other sides because it doesn't given. Also, even if it is one of the sides are parallel, we can call it as a trapezium. Thank you.